In this final lesson, you will take a look at some simple Microsoft Outlook settings that are related to emails and to working with address books. The dialog boxes showing most of the default settings are available on the File tab. Click the File tab and select Options. Read the list of items in the left column of the Outlook Options dialog box. Click Mail and then click below the vertical scroll bar. The option for saving sent mail and also the one for saving unfinished messages are both important ones. Unfinished messages will be saved in the Drafts folder. Click once more beneath the vertical scroll bar. You can set a request for delivery receipts and for read receipts in the Tracking section. Take a look at the highlighted area. If the sender asks for a read receipt, you can either send it automatically or not send it at all. The default option is that you yourself decide whether to send the receipt or not. Click above the vertical scroll bar. Expand the list when replying to a message. Read the options and then select Prefix each line of the original message. In the example, you can examine the appearance of a reply to a message. Similarly, you can mark the original text in forwarded messages. Click once again above the vertical scroll bar. Expand the Compose Messages in this Format list. If you selected plain text that you cannot format, the option for using Word to edit messages could not be used. Retain the HTML option by clicking outside the menu. Click on the Stationery and Fonts button. You can select the default font format for new messages or replies and for forwarded messages. Click on the Cancel button. Click on the Reading pane button. The decision about when to mark delivered emails as read is important for you, and the message will be marked with the red icon. However, it is also important in the event that the sender of the message requests a read receipt. In fact, you can read short messages directly in the reading pane without having to open them in full. Even in this case, however, you may wish to send the read receipt. Click on the Cancel button. In this lesson, you have looked through the settings options for some of the default properties of your mail.